Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at the Mathematics Standard 2 2022 paper, and in particular question 21, which is on commission. So in this question, a real estate agent's commission for selling houses is 2% for the first $800,000 of the sale price and 1.5% for any amount over $800,000. Calculate the commission earned in selling a house for $1,500,000. So what I suggest you do now is pause the video and attempt the problem yourself before watching through the solution. Okay, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to underline some of the key points in the question. So 2% for the first $800,000, 1.5% for any amount over $800,000, and then calculate the commission earned in selling a house for $1,500,000. So first of all, what I'm going to calculate is the amount over $800,000. And to do that, I'm going to go 1,500,000 minus $800,000, and that's going to equal 700,000. So the amount earned over, or the amount of sales over $800,000 is $700,000. So now the commission. We're going to calculate that, and it's going to be 800,000 multiplied by 2%. So it's 2% of the first $800,000, and then that 700,000, that's the amount over 800,000 of the sale price, multiplied by 1.5%. And we can calculate that all in one go, and that's going to work out to be $26,500.